Hello friends, we're back at Camp Nou to witness the incredible transformation happening every single day. From prefabricated stands to the massive FC Barcelona store, the progress is truly breathtaking. Today, we'll explore every corner of the stadium and see how it's coming together step by step. Let's dive in and check out the latest updates. Right now, they're lifting a prefabricated stand into this tribune area. Trailers stacked with new pieces and many more on the ground, all ready to be installed in the coming days. Over at the escalators, 3 workers are currently removing the blue protective tarp and preparing the handrails. The handrails are not yet installed. They're ready and waiting, and we'll see them mounted soon. In the central area, drywall installation has progressed well. Almost all sections are covered, except for a small piece on the left side. The insulating rock wool is fully in place, and the area is shaping up nicely. On the right, we have 2 more trailers delivering prefabricated stands, along with a large number of prefabricated stairs. Workers are lowering iron poles and preparing them for installation, keeping everything organized and ready for the next steps. Now let's check the diamond area, the official FC Barcelona store. 5 massive glass panels have already been installed, and more are prepared to be placed today. In total, 14 panels are still missing in the front, plus a few on the sides. Once finished, this area will look absolutely incredible. Moving toward the south goal, a lifting platform and crane are positioning a piece diagonally between the slat supports. Some slats are already installed, while others are being adjusted. Lower slats are forming the false ceiling, and more are ready to be installed from the prepared stack. Progress has been significant since Monday, with numerous slats now in place. A few are still missing in the lower section, but work continues efficiently, and the pace is improving as the team gets used to the process. In the corner, the lower slats are being placed with slight curvature, forming the false ceiling. 2 slats remain to be installed in this area before moving upwards. The lifting platforms are actively working, and everything is progressing smoothly. As we move toward the lateral area, we can see the first large structural pieces already lifted, with 2 more on site ready to be installed. The wall that previously blocked the car entrance has been leveled, providing more space for safe vehicle movement. Workers on scaffolding are installing slat supports and structural connections. Some vertical unions and anchors are still pending, but preparations are well underway. Prefabricated stands are mostly installed, particularly in the middle and south goal sections. Moving to the lateral area, we can see that most of the prefabricated stands are already installed. The middle lateral section and the south goal corner are fully completed, while a few pieces remain near the north goal corner. The lower brackets in this section are mostly finished, except for a small gap that naturally doesn't reach the pillar. The orange crane used for lifting slats is in position, but it doesn't seem that any slats will be installed here today. There's still significant work remaining on the staircase structure and the area where the elevators will be installed. Some pieces are being moved and positioned by the cranes, and chains are being released for installation. The corner structures remain mostly static, with no major movement in the grids, but preparation work for future pieces continues. Workers are chipping and cleaning the area, removing interior debris. The slat supports are visible, and missing pieces are being delivered to this corner. A tower crane is nearby, ready to assist with placement. The parking ramp is now fully visible without formwork panels. The concrete work is complete, and the structure looks clean and well-formed. At the north goal, we see a lot of recent activity. Welding is ongoing, and lifting platforms are preparing slat supports. Gaps between the lifting platforms and pillars indicate where unions and supports will be installed. Vertical unions are being aligned differently depending on the area. Some are very close to the beams, while others have more separation. This variation affects the installation of slats across different parts of the stadium. Many brackets still need painting, especially in the north and south goal areas. While the lateral section with 3 levels is painted, other areas have slat supports installed with white anti-rust primer still visible. These sections will be painted later, though the timeline is unclear. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. We'll keep monitoring every area and share all progress in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe to MegaBuilds Pro, and turn on notifications and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Mega Builds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with more fresh updates only here on Mega Builds Pro.